Hey, what's going on, all you beautiful people? Back to another episode. This one's going to be a little bit different. Not really necessarily the norm, not quite wheeling, not quite fixing the Hellcat, but something. And, well, it's exciting for me anyway, and hopefully you guys are a little pumped on it too. We've got Clifford. And last year at the Northeast Off-Road event, we ended up taking the transmission out of him. And unfortunately, he's been down for the last year. So I've got some parts Jeeps lined up that I'm super pumped about, because that means we're going to get back on the trail with this guy, and that's super exciting, being the fact that the Hellcat's down. I wanted to try and push and have it done this year so I could wheel it this year, but with getting parts fabricated and that sort of thing, I don't think it's necessarily an option at this point. And the fact that I don't want to rush it, I kind of want to make sure that everything's good, and hopefully you never know, hopefully it works. But what we're doing with Cliffy, coming off the trailer, we're going to get a parts Jeep here, and yeah, this is going to allow us to get him back on the trail so we can start wheeling. That's something I'm super stoked about. I've been a sad panda for a while, don't get me wrong. I've been enjoying hopping in and riding with guys and filming and just concentrating on that, but I need some wheel time. So let's get him yarded off the trailer. Hopefully he doesn't wreck the old parts Jeep that's on the side. And yeah, tomorrow we'll go grab that new Jeep. There we go. Slick. Mint. Nearly never blew my back out. So there we go. Clifford's off. Trailer's ready. Trailer's ready. And then yeah, off to grab the new parts Jeep for tomorrow, and we'll get this guy rolling. Oh, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Woo! Don't look like much, but trust me, one man's garbage is another man's treasure. I'm super excited about this thing. Had to get the old fork extensions on her. Up. Yeah, right there, I think. Mint. So we're laughing, absolutely laughing. So this rig does not look like much, but it's going to bring so much life into Clifford, and you know, spare parts, axles, transfer case, transmissions, all that kind of crap. That's amazing. But you know what's better than one Jeep? Two Jeeps. So we actually end up getting two of them. I'm super excited. Running, driving, Grand Cherokee 4-liter, so she's good to go. So I'm laughing, just made the deal, paid the man, and we're gonna try and drive this stuff home. So get her filled up and hit the road. Cheers.
Man, I am so excited, like so pumped. So we got the old part in tow, and then the old beauty. I kind of wanted to drive it first, but I guess we'll let my main man Rubbers do the first leg, and then I'm gonna drive it. I gotta hop in there. I gotta get some wheel time on it. Oh, she drives like a dream. A little bit of a vibration, but not too bad. Make the old hand numb by the time we get back. Oh, I'm super pumped. I am super pumped. Look at those sweet air fresheners. Oh, I'm so excited about all of this. So happy that I'm able to finally get some rigs, get Clifford back on the road, and be able to hit the trail with him. I'm so happy. Just worked out that this guy was just an added bonus, this running, driving ZJ. I can't be happier with that. Now we've got two. I have no idea what to do with this one, but the fact of the matter is we got him, so that's all that matters.
Absolutely laughing. Such a great freaking day. I can't tell you how happy I am. I got this rig, I got the parts rig, I got two happy pups, and absolutely just a little beautiful spot for us to come hang out at. Gonna get Clifford running for 600 bucks. You can't beat that. Doesn't matter what kind of rig that you have, you get something like this, you enjoy the day, enjoy the trip, you're laughing. Anyway, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you that tune in, watch these videos, share, comment, all that kind of stuff. Like I say, a little bit different video than what I'm used to, but we got ourselves a cheap $600 beater. We got happy, tired dogs, and I actually got some wheel time for the first time in a year. Anyway, cheers.